If Dustin Combo is not performing as well as he should, you can diagnose the problem with a simple home checkup test. If Dustin fails any part of the checkup test, he may need a replacement part to run effectively again. Call us at 1-888-549-8847 for toll-free support in the US and Canada, or email us at support@bObsweep.com at any time. First, remove Dustin from his charging station. Make sure Dustin is not near stairs, objects, delicate items, furniture, baseboards, or ledges, as his sensors are not working normally while in checkup mode and he can fall off edges and run into objects. To put Dustin in checkup mode, press and hold the Go, Charge, and Wi-Fi buttons simultaneously for a few seconds until the bot says,
Home checkup mode activated.
Dustin is now in checkup mode. In this mode, Dustin's LiDAR sensor will rotate. Dustin Combo's checkup includes 7 steps. Each step of the home checkup test verifies the performance of a different function on Dustin. Switch between different steps by pressing the Wi-Fi button. You'll hear Dustin Combo announce the name of the tests you can perform in that step. Once the desired step is reached, initiate testing by pressing the Go button, and you'll hear
Begin test.
End each test by pressing the Go button again, and you'll hear Dustin Combo say,
Stop test.
To exit the checkup mode at any time, press and hold the Go, Charge, and Wi-Fi buttons. You'll hear,
Exiting home checkup mode.
And Dustin's LiDAR sensor will stop rotating. If Dustin is left idle for more than a minute during the checkup test, he will automatically exit the home checkup test. As Dustin Combo enters checkup mode, you'll hear,
Home checkup mode activated. Battery.
Alternatively, you can press the Wi-Fi button a few times again until you hear,
Battery.
Press the Go button and you'll hear,
Begin test.
If the battery is sufficiently charged, all 5 indicators will blink slowly. The lower the battery charge, the fewer indicators blink on the screen. If only one indicator lights up, the battery's charge is below 10%. Allow Dustin to fully charge overnight. When manually placing Dustin on the charging station, make sure the charging plates on the back of the bot are in physical contact with the charging station's plates. The battery indicator should be pulsing to confirm Dustin is in fact charging. Press Go to stop test, then press Wi-Fi to move to the next step. While Dustin is in checkup mode, press the Wi-Fi button until you hear him say,
Edge sensors.
Press the Go button to begin test. To test the edge sensors, first lift Dustin about a foot off the floor. Make sure the sensors are not accidentally covered by your fingers. It's also recommended to remove Dustin's side brush to ensure the edge sensors are not obstructed. The left, middle, and right edge sensors on Dustin each correspond with the Go, Mute, and Treble indicators on the screen. These indicators start flashing, and Dustin makes a series of beeps when lifted off the floor in this test mode. Place Dustin back on a hard, flat surface, and the flashing will stop. Dustin announces,
Test successful.
Press the Go button and stop test, then move on to the next step. Press the Wi-Fi button until you hear,
Charging station.
Place Dustin about 0.5 feet in front of the plugged-in charging station with his bumper facing away from the station. Then press Go and begin test. Dustin will start to rotate 360 degrees counterclockwise. As Dustin begins to rotate and the charging station and Dustin's sensors successfully communicate, the battery and Wi-Fi indicators on the bot's screen start flashing and the bot makes a series of beeps. Once done, all indicators shine solid to confirm all sensors are in good working condition, and Dustin announces,
Test successful.
Press the Go button and stop test, then move on to the next step. Press the Wi-Fi button until you hear,
Bumpers and Wi-Fi.
Then press Go to begin test. In this step, once you begin the test, Dustin automatically tests his connection to Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi indicator will light up on the screen. To test the bumper's touch sensors, place Dustin on a flat surface. Then slowly press the left, center, and right side of Dustin's bumper. The following indicators each correspond with one of the touch sensors and flash upon successful passing of each touch sensor test. To test the LiDAR's mini bumper, lightly press on the LiDAR cover. The mute indicator starts flashing on the screen, confirming the LiDAR mini bumper is in good condition. After all of the above are tested, all the indicators light up and Dustin announces,
Test successful.
Note that once a sensor is tested, pressing it again does not allow for retesting. You must stop the test and begin it again to test the same sensor twice. Once done, press the Go button to stop test, then move on to the next step. Press the Wi-Fi button until you hear Dustin say,
Motors.
Lift Dustin off the floor or hold him tight to secure his position as he will move with force in this step. When ready, press Go to begin test. The vacuum motor will pulse and blow air from the left rear vent for a few seconds, then it will stop. The mute indicator will light up on the screen to confirm the vacuum motor is working fine. At the same time, the left and right mop connectors, wheels, and the main and side brushes will begin rotating to confirm that their motors are functioning properly. The mop connectors repeatedly raise and lower as part of the test. Once done, press the Go button and stop test, then move on to the next step. Press the Wi-Fi button until you hear
LiDAR, charging, and self-empty.
Place Dustin back on a flat surface and press Go to begin test. Place Dustin against a white wall and slowly rotate him with your hand. The mute indicator will flash as each of LiDAR's 3 directions detect the wall. Place Dustin on his plugged-in charging station with charging contact points touching your bot. After a few seconds, self-empty will run. All indicators light up on the screen to confirm the charging station is in good working order. Dustin will announce,
Test successful.
Press the Go button and stop test. If you press the Wi-Fi button again, you will hear Dustin Combo say,
Reset device.
Note that this is a hard reset of all of Dustin's data and will erase any information stored on the device. This includes all existing map data, scheduling data, and customized cleaning data. To avoid accidental erasing of Dustin's data, use this step in isolation only. Watch Dustin Combo's hard reset video for more information. The home checkup test is now complete. Press the Go, Charge, and Wi-Fi buttons together again. You'll hear,
Exiting home checkup mode.
And Dustin's LiDAR sensor will stop rotating. If Dustin Combo completes the checkup test without any issues, then his internal parts are working properly. For further assistance with the home checkup test, please contact our helpful support team.